Welcome back to Home Decor 101, your go-to channel for everything interior design. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on one of our latest tips and tricks for making your home beautiful. Today, we're diving into two of the most charming, rustic yet elegant decor styles, French country and Mediterranean. We're going to talk about their popularity, their practicality, and how you can recreate these beautiful looks in your own home. We'll also explore key differences. We're going to look at sample color palettes and offer some furniture ideas. So whether you love the romantic charm of French country or the sun-kissed coastal feel of Mediterranean decor, this video has you covered. Let's hop right in and begin. So we're going to start by exploring the French country decor style. This look is all about creating a rustic yet refined atmosphere inspired by the countryside homes in rural France. French country decor is warm, it's really inviting, and often features weathered, distressed finishes to give the space an aged and well-loved feel. Think whitewashed furniture, exposed wooden beams, and soft muted colors. So the key to achieving this style is to blend elegance with a sense of rustic. So we have floral patterns, wrought iron accents, and charming vintage touches to really bring a sense of timelessness. Fabrics like linen, cotton, and toile are commonly used, and they often feature a really soft floral pattern or checked patterns. It's a delicate balance between casual comfort and very subtle sophistication. Heavy on the subtle sophistication. This is not an in-your-face luxurious style like you would get if you think of Hollywood Regency or even Art Deco. This is just kind of a casual elegance that's there if you look for it. So when it comes to color, French country decor embraces a really muted, soft color palette. Soft shades of white, cream, beige, and gray serve as a neutral base. Accent colors can range from pale blues and dusty yellows to really soft greens like sage and even in some cases some lavenders. The overall vibe is calm and serene, reflecting the peacefulness of the countryside. So whenever you look at bringing a new accent color in your French country home, think, is it calm? Is it chill? Is it peaceful? Now, just to add a little contrast, you can introduce some darker tones like an antique bronze or a really deep olive green. These accents create depth without taking away from the natural, light, and airy feel of the space. Now, let's take a look at Mediterranean home decor. Inspired by the coastal regions of Southern Europe, particularly Italy, Greece, and Spain, this style is all about warmth, earthiness, and a connection to the natural world. Mediterranean decor often features terracotta floors, stucco walls, and wrought iron details, giving the space a sun-baked coastal vibes. Now, I did mention terracotta floors, but one thing that I always think of when it comes to Mediterranean is tiles. You guys know those beautiful, bold tiles that you always see in Mediterranean spaces. Now is the time to use them. It will be the star of the show. This style also focuses on indoor-outdoor living. Think about the countries that we just named. It's beautiful weather, so a lot of people spend just as much time outdoors as they do indoors. Large windows and open layouts are common, allowing natural light to flow through the space. This is not a decor style that you want to go dark and moody with. It's a perfect style for homes in warm, sunny climates, or for anyone looking to bring that coastal vacation vibe into their home and live in it year-round. So when it comes to the Mediterranean color palette, earthy tones dominate. Rich terracotta, warm yellows, deep oranges create a sun-kissed ambiance. Accent colors like ocean blues, olive greens, and crisp whites really bring in the coastal influence, making the space feel vibrant and alive. It's like your room is living. These colors are often applied in textured finishes like stucco walls or decorative tiles. It's all about creating a space that feels connected to the earth and the sea. Bright patterned tiles are a staple in Mediterranean decor, adding character to floors, backsplashes, and even tabletops in some cases. So now that we've covered the basics of each style, let's talk about the key differences. What sets them apart? French country decor is much more muted and refined, focusing on creating a soft, cozy environment. Mediterranean, on the other hand, is bolder and more vibrant, with a focus on earthy textures and really rich colors. French country furniture often features distressed wood and curved, ornate designs, while Mediterranean furniture tends to have a more robust, rustic quality with heavy, dark woods or wrought iron. In terms of decor, French country uses floral fabrics and vintage accents, while Mediterranean homes feature more natural elements like stone and pottery and bright, bold patterns. So let's take a look at some furniture ideas to bring each style into your home. For French country, opt for pieces like distressed wood dining tables, antique armoires, and linen upholstered armchairs. Soft, elegant curves and aged patinas are key. Add in a chandelier with crystal or iron detailing for that extra little touch of elegance. On the Mediterranean side, think large wooden tables with wrought iron detailing, bold patterned rugs, and really heavy, earthy pottery. Woven baskets, terracotta pots, and deep wooden tones add warmth and texture to the space. For seating, choose sturdy wooden chairs with patterned cushions or wrought iron chairs for a more traditional formal look. Some of the most iconic examples of these styles can be seen in popular homes and hotels. For French country inspiration, check out the charming homes in Provence, or even the stunning chateau-style hotels in the French countryside, like, and let me tell you, this is the best French pronunciation this Oklahoma girl can do. Please be gentle. There's a hotel called Chateau de la Chèvre d'Or. That's the best I can do, folks. I'm here all night. On the Mediterranean side, iconic hotels like the Grand Hotel Tremezzo on Lake Como or stunning villas along the Amalfi Coast perfectly embody the Mediterranean lifestyle. These places embrace the warm, inviting colors and natural textures of the Mediterranean, creating luxurious, sun-soaked retreats. So let's say that you love one of these styles. What's next? Let's talk about how you can recreate these styles in your own home. For French country, start by focusing on soft, neutral tones for your walls and your fabrics. Incorporate distressed wood furniture and add vintage accents like mirrors, vases, and chandeliers. Don't forget to add floral patterns, whether through curtains, cushions, or even wallpaper. And of course, you have to have a vase somewhere of flowers. Now, whether they are real flowers that you grew or picked, or something that you bought, I just feel like certain flowers blend in with this style beautifully. To achieve the Mediterranean look, start with warm, earthy colors, or even faux stucco walls for texture. Add in natural materials like stone and wood, and finish the look with bold, patterned textiles and decorative tiles. Incorporating plants like olive trees or like lavender bushes will also really enhance that Mediterranean vibe. And some Mediterranean rooms I see often have like a bowl of lemon or a bowl of oranges. And I don't know why, but it just fits in so well. So listen, that's a wrap for today's video on French country versus Mediterranean home decor. Let me know in the comments section, which one do you have right now currently in your home? Or if you have neither, which one are you leaning towards? Both of these styles offer a rustic, inviting atmosphere with their own unique flair and differences. So whether you prefer the soft elegance of French country or the warm, earthy vibes of Mediterranean, you can easily recreate these looks in your own home. Don't forget to check the description box. I have just really sourced some pieces that will work great with both of these styles if you want to bring this style to your home. I absolutely hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see a little bit more, don't forget to check out one of these videos right here. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.